What's going on, folks, and welcome back to Beans to Greens. Today is season 1, episode 11 of our Seed to Smoke series where we're growing the Trainwrecks. I took a quick clip earlier in the week just because I wanted to show you all what I had going on throughout the week and what I was doing in the garden and kind of compare it to what the gals look like today. So I'll show you that clip in a minute and I'll head into the flower tent. But before we jump into that, please comment below what you all have growing on inside of your gardens. I always love to find out. Also, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and set yourself up for notifications so you don't miss any new content coming through the channel. So let's hop into it. All right, folks, it is midweek, and I wanted to just give a quick update, show you what I've been working on this week. So I've been poking nodes through each one of these squares this week. And if you look, I've got a node in each one of these squares. So each one of these squares is going to be a bud site. Show you on this plant as well. I haven't worked on the plants in the back. Those are clones. So I'm going to work on those next, but the Trainwrecks were the most important for me. I just want to show you guys kind of what this looks like. And I wanted to do a midweek video just to show you what it's going to do over even the next couple days. It's going to fill in here big time. But also what I've done is I've removed all the other nodes that are not in squares. So you can see that I've really cleaned this up as well. And then I've taken everything off and I've just dropped it straight on the top of the soil just to act as a mulch layer. And again, all those leaves will eventually break down as well too. All right, folks, so we are back in the flower tent. It's about 4 days after I did my quick midweek update where I had trained all of the nodes to go through each one of these squares. You could see they are all through the squares. I even did the plants in the back, those clones, but we're not focusing on those. But you could see how much this plant, or both these plants, I should say, have filled in. Really doing well. And you could see pretty even canopy as well. If I take you below, I've left as much leaf material as possible, but have just denoded everything. And what that's going to do is it's just going to redirect all of the energy to the remaining bud sites or nodes. And I've even taken each one of these nodes and denoded them all the way up to the top. Once they go into the stretch, they'll add on a couple of nodes. But right now, what I'm trying to do is I'm going to let these go for the rest of this week, and then we're going to flip them into flower. And the only reason is I just want them to grow up a little bit, rebound a little bit more, and even out as much as possible before we flip them into flower. The second set of poles that I have set up, that's going to be our second trellis net. So that'll just be for the support. All right, folks, so that's it for today's episode, season 1, episode 11 of our Seed to Smoke series where we're growing the Trainwrecks. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you comment below. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new content, especially if you're following along with this series. Until next time, let's keep growing together.